Hello, viewers. Let us start our topic today, nutrition, which is life process. Okay, it is also called as food supplying system. So, first of all, let us know what is nutrition. Nutrition is a process of taking in food and breaking it into simple and soluble state so that it is easily absorbed by our cells. Okay, by the body cells. Okay, or even you can write nutrition as it is an organic process by which an organism assimilates food and uses for growth and maintenance, right? So this is about the nutrition. So you can write the definition of nutrition in this way or in this way. Okay, so now let us go the mode of nutrition. How many types of nutritions are there? There are two types of nutrition. First is the autotrophic nutrition, the next one is a heterotrophic nutrition. And this autotrophic nutrition is subdivided into photoautotropic nutrition and hemoautotropic nutrition. We'll know in detail about this type of nutrition. Okay, so again this heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three types: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. Okay, so did you understood this? Now, let us know in detail about these types of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? Auto is nothing but it's a self and tropic is feeding. It means in this type of nutrition, the organisms will feed, means they'll take food by themselves. Like you see green plants, what they do, green plants make their own food. We just give water to them, but they'll make their own food for the growth, and hence green plants are called autotrophs because it is an autotrophic nutrition. That's why it is called, they are called autotrophs. They have the unique ability of trapping solar energy, means they'll take energy from sunlight, so that is called solar energy, and convert it into a chemical energy, right? So that process is called photosynthesis. Okay, we'll see what is photosynthesis in the further classes. Depending on the utilization, autotrophic nutrition is divided into how many types? Again, two types. They are photoautotropic nutrition and hemoautotropic nutrition. First, let us see what is photoautotropic nutrition. Photoautotropic nutrition is nothing for photo is nothing but is a light. Autotropic, auto means self and tropic is nothing but feeding. So in this type, the organism, what they will do, they'll feed themselves in the presence of light. So it means in phototropic nutrition, the plants uses light and prepare their own food. Which light? It is solar energy. For an example, photosynthesis. Okay. Now, what is photosynthesis? It is a process by which green plants and certain other organisms transfer light energy into a chemical energy, right? So it is a photosynthesis. This is about the photoautotropic nutrition, and the example we have is photosynthesis. Now coming to a hemoautotropic nutrition. What is hemo? It's a chemicals. Auto, self, and tropic feeding, means in this type of nutrition the organisms will feed in the presence of chemicals. So mode of nutrition in which organisms like some algae, purple bacteria uses chemical energy instead of sunlight energy to make their food, right? So in photoautotropic they used sunlight, but here they are using chemicals. Okay, heterotropic nutrition is not this is about the autotropic nutrition. In autotropic nutrition we have two examples, two types of nutritions. Again, it is photoautotropic nutrition and the chemoautotropic nutrition. Now next type of nutrition is heterotropic nutrition. Hetero means others, tropic is feeding, means they'll depend on others for their food. So mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on others for nutrition. Animals and fungi are the some examples of heterotrophic nutrition. So those organisms are called heterotrophs. So in this type of nutrition, the organism will depend on others for food. They won't prepare their own food. So they are called autotrophs. Those organisms are called heterotrophs. Okay. The kind of food and digestion apparatus are different from organisms to organism. Means in this type of nutrition, what is happening, they are depending on others for their food. So the why, because of the different types of organisms have different type of digestive apparatus. So depending upon the digestive apparatus, the heterotropic nutrition is divided into again how many types? Three types. The first one is saprophytic, the second is parasitic, and the third is holozoic. Saprophytic type of nutrition. In the saprophytic type of nutrition, the saprophytic or the organism depend on dead and decaying material. So in saprophytic type of nutrition, the organism will depend on dead and decomposed materials. Okay, they will not feed on the fresh for their food. Now next one is, for an example, saprophytic example is, so for saprophytic type of nutrition, fungi is an example of saprophytic nutrition. Now the next type of heterotropic nutrition is parasitic. In parasitic, what will happen? The organism will depend on other organism for their nutrition as usual, but inside the body or on the body. So they'll be living inside the body or outside the body. For an example, mosquito, leech, and tapeworms. Okay. The last type of heterotropic nutrition is holozoic. What happened in holozoic? The nutrition, the food is ingested first, means it enters into the stomach and then they digested inside the food, inside the body. Okay, for example, humans and animals are the best example of holozoic. So again here, depending upon the type of food taken, they are subdivided into three types. Okay, so herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. What are herbivores? These are animals that feed on only plants and fruits. They'll not take flesh. Okay, so for an example, deer, horse, cow, goat, etc. What is carnivorous? Again, carnivores are the animals that feed only on flesh or other animals. So here they only depend on plants and fruits. Here they depend only on flesh. Example, tiger, lion, wolf, etc. Okay. So what now last we have, last type of holozoic nutrition is the omnivorous nutrition, where in this type of nutrition the animals will feed on both plants and animals, okay, for their growth. So for an example, dog, mouse, many examples are there for omnivorous. Even human beings also come under omnivorous because they obtain their nutrition from plants and animals. Yes, right. So this is a completion of nutrition, a small topic from nutrition. So thank you.